everyone, for people who are watching our success story series. Today we have Arfaz with us, and Arfaz has done his BCom, right? And despite being in commerce background, he got into this field of data science. And that's a very encouraging thing, right? A lot of people keep asking us on how can a non-IT professional get into this field of data science. Now here we have a live example, right? And Arfaz is here to explain us on how he got into this field of data science. Yeah. Can you throw some light on how was your journey like, Arfaz?
Yeah, sir. When I was in school, I had some experience regarding the coding part. So I was a bit cleared on how coding is done, but it was not full-fledged coding. But still, when I did my BCom, then I had to do something that is like a future demanding job. So that's when I got to know about data science. So when I got into data science, like it was very tough. So like how it usually is. But thanks to 360DigiTMG, they've taught everything from scratch. So all the coding part and everything. So that's how, sir.
Good. Well, so nice to know. And Arfaz, I believe you have also worked on a few real world projects as part of your internship with InnoDataTix. Can you let me know whether that experience was helpful or not? In what way was it helpful? Can you throw some light on that?
Actually, sir, the voice got disconnected. Could you please repeat once again?
Okay. So you have worked on the internship project with InnoDataTix.
Yes, sir.
How was that experience and how did that actually help you?
Actually, sir, when we are doing assignments, it's not that difficult when you do the assignment, but when we do the project part, that's where we get to know about the real world, how the things work. So when I did my projects with InnoDataTix, I got to learn, even if we attend training sessions, when we actually do the project, we get to know about certain things that are like minute things, like how things should be done. So I did two projects. One was on predicting the behavior of children during lockdown,
Okay.
emotional and behavior. And the second project was regarding predicting the sales of pharmaceutical companies.
Okay.
So doing both the projects, they were really helpful for me, even if I have done the training session. So the projects were really helpful.
Wonderful, wonderful. And Arfaz, one final question is, out of all the various suggestions that you want to give to the people who are currently undergoing the training or who have just completed the training, if I were to ask you, what is the one most important suggestion that you want to give to our students who are currently undergoing training or who already got trained? What would that be?
So my suggestion would be that like data science is not an easy field, but if you get to know about it, if you really get to into it, so that would be really a good career for you. So don't think that it's really tough. It will be really struggle in the beginning, but when you get into it, when you start the journey, it will be really helpful for you.
Absolutely. So always be motivated, guys. That is what Arfaz is saying. He is a classic example of how a non-IT professional, despite being in BCom background, I should not say despite, because data science is industry agnostic and education agnostic. Whatever profession you are in, you can get into this field of data science. And Arfaz has actually proved it for, for everyone. Thank you so much, Arfaz, for your time and all the very best. And I'm certain you're going to grow in leaps and bounds. Thank you.